year 2018 ends with a surprise. Nokia 9 has been leaked in a promotional video highlighting the Panda lens implementation. There were some early reports based on leaks, renders and patterns, but this time we have a proper conclusion. First things first, this is a device for camera lovers, and taking that into consideration, Nokia has stretched itself to a great extent. With this revolutionary setup at the back, Nokia 9 will be able to take 5 simultaneous shots at the same time, and to accompany this, Nokia will adopt some changes to capture 10 times as much light as an ordinary smartphone camera. Also, to match the current industry standards, this device will allow you to make depth of field adjustments after taking a shot. All these features are enough to give you an idea of the camera performance on this device, but to make it more clear, we actually need camera specification, which is not a part of any solid leak right now. The device will have a 6-inch screen with Quad HD Plus resolution and no edge-to-edge screen. However, there will be an in-display fingerprint scanner to give you a better experience. In terms of performance, this device will not offer you something very new, just because of a year older Snapdragon 845 chipset coupled with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. I don't know why Nokia did this, as it would affect the overall user experience when compared to the other 2019 flagship phones. If this device comes with a very aggressive price tag, then it's totally fine. Otherwise, the OnePlus 7 will change the game. Now, according to an official statement, Hmd Global has no plans to get into the gaming smartphone zone, as it would affect the company's market drastically. The gaming smartphones are made for a particular group, and it's very difficult to expand market there. So Nokia is not going to introduce any gaming smartphone in near future. Also, the company is working on some great smartphones that will take some time to get commercialized. It's all because of the complications arising in some stages. And to cover Nokia 9's approach, the company will surely launch a device next year with same implementations and faster processing. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.